Hey everybody, this is Sid Hamid with Brick Front Properties and Construction. And let me tell you a true story. I got a call this weekend. A friend of mine, let's just call her Susie and husband Tom. They were married for over 15 years. Had two amazing, beautiful kids, amazing house. They built the house together. They bought it, new furniture, everything, and they took a house and made it into a home. And, they got a divorce, and it was a shock. It was a shock to everybody. But Susie's life turned upside down, right? She didn't realize that the house had so much debt, and it just came with so much like uncertainty. Her life was just messed up, upside down. But also, I spoke to her, and I told her, listen, the real estate, you can turn your life around through the real estate by refinancing the house, by using the equity, by rebuilding your credit. So I was able to help her navigate and see the light at the end of the tunnel by using the real estate that her and her husband got together, and then how to basically use that as an advantage to rebuild and to get a new life. So this Thursday at 7 o'clock live, we're going to talk about debt, divorce, and destruction and how to turn your life around. Sid Hamid, Brick Front Properties and Construction. See you guys at 7 o'clock on Thursday. Book your calendars. Mark your calendars. Talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.